Today on Courtney Sweets, we're making snowman hot chocolate toppers. They are so cute and so perfect for your hot chocolate. So now to make our snowman marshmallow hot chocolate toppers, we're just gonna use a pair of clean kitchen scissors and a marshmallow. We're gonna take the marshmallows and then we're gonna use some icing gel, or you could even use some melted chocolate, and then we're gonna draw on a little face using 2 eyes and a few dots for a mouth. You can use, again, any kind of icing you want. I just bought this at the supermarket. It's one of those little gel pens that you can use for cake. And then we're also gonna put a little dot for the nose so we can get those sprinkles to stick on. I'm just using some orange sprinkles, but again, you can use chocolate that's melted, colored chocolate, but I just like the way the sprinkles look, and it is the perfect round little nose. Then you're just gonna plop them in your hot chocolate, and that is all. Enjoy.